Why, hello everybody, it's me, Sushi, and last video I edited, and this video it's gonna be Mantis editing. Yay! What is this channel about?
Nothing.
Said we're gonna be reaction videos and gaming, but there's more. We're gonna do skits and, drawing, because why not? I like drawing. And we may never do a face reveal. For now, no. But, yeah. Mantis's pronouns are he, they, or just they, them, because they're non-binary. And mine are she, her. You can use technically any pronouns for me, which I don't really care, because it's, you can label me as anything, but I'm
You're
a
an
girl.
80-year-old man.
This isn't my real voice. You can kind of tell if I, start stuttering. I like this voice because it doesn't share too much my real voice, but my real voice is on a different channel for some reason. As I said in the last video, I have a channel named Sushi and Pluto. Pluto is spelled with 2 T's. I will mention it in the desk. I probably will copy the desk from the last video.
The desk, like the gaming desktop?
Because I'm too lazy to type another one. Well, no, maybe, I think Mantis might, do the description since he's editing
idea.
This one. They're editing this video. I'm not editing. I edited the last one. Who knows when Mantis is gonna put? I'm kind of scared of their power at this point. Because they started laughing when I told them that they could edit this one. Kind of scary. The reason I wasn't in the last video is because I was at a funeral, unfortunately, and stuff. If this voice is annoying you, I'm so sorry. This is a fake voice. Anyways. Oh my god, I fell. I'm on mobile. We're both on mobile right now, but we both have computers, so, don't worry. We're gonna play on computer one day, and you don't have to see the very bad footage of us playing on mobile and seeing us die every 20 minutes. But, I am me on my channel, and, Mantis on his channel, it's Jez Burgers.
Subscribe.
It's spelled with an Z instead of an S. That's really it for this video, because I don't want it to be too long, so I can't send it to Mantis for them to edit. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Did you know that you can subscribe right now? So do it!